6:30，香港電台最新一節風暴消息。香港天文台發出最新熱帶氣旋警報，8號東南烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東南風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺下午6點，強颱風華加莎集結喺香港之西南偏西約250公里，即係喺北緯21.6度、東經111.9度附近，預料向西移動，時速約22公里，掠過廣東西部沿岸並逐漸減弱。華加莎已經喺廣東陽江登陸，並進一步遠離香港，但烈風程度嘅東南風仍間中影響本港部分地區。隨住本港風力逐步減弱，天文台會喺晚上8:20改發3號強風信號。受華加莎外圍雨帶影響，本港今明兩日間中有狂風驟雨及雷暴，初時雨勢頗大，海有非常大浪及湧浪。天文台呼籲市民繼續保持警覺，遠離岸邊及停止水上活動。喺過去1小時，昂坪、長洲及塔門分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時87、76及69公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時132、89及89公里。防風措施報告：風暴對本港帶嚟唔同程度嘅破壞，四周環境可能隱藏危機，市民務必保持警覺，以策安全。有關最新嘅天氣資訊，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分以及踏正嘅報導。
6:30 in the evening, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. Here is the latest tropical cyclone warning bulletin issued by the Hong Kong Observatory. The number 8 southeast, gale or storm signal, is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the southeast quarter. At 6 p.m., severe typhoon Ragasa was centered about 250 km west-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 21.6 degrees north, 111.9 degrees east, and is forecast to move west at about 22 km per hour, skirting the coast of western Guangdong and weaken gradually. Ragasa has made landfall over Yangjiang and Guangdong and is departing from Hong Kong gradually. Local winds are weakening progressively, but gale-force southeasterly winds are still affecting parts of the territory. Winds occasionally reach storm force offshore and on high ground. The number 8 gale or storm signal is expected to remain in force until 8 p.m. tonight. Depending on the extent of weakening of local winds, the observatory will consider issuing the strong wind signal, number 3. Locally, there will be occasional squally showers and thunderstorm today and tomorrow. Showers will be heavy at first. Seas will be very rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to remain on the alert, to stay away from the shoreline, and not engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Nong Ping, Qingchao, and Tap Moon were 87, 76, and 69 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 132, 89, and 89 km per hour respectively. For the precautionary announcements, the tropical cyclone brought different degrees of damages to Hong Kong. There may be hidden danger. Members of the public should remain on the alert for assurance of personal safety. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio in every hours at 15, 30, 45, and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報導完畢。